Hello everyone, welcome back to WittySparks. Today I'm sharing a hands-on review of a brand new feature called AI Link Genius from RankMath. I had early beta access to test this feature. So let's look into how this helps. Once you open the RankMath, go to status and tools, look for version controls and enable the beta opt-in. And then you will see the link genius in the dashboard. Just enable it and you will see a link in the left, the link genius. Go ahead with it and try to scan. Since this is for the first time I'm coming here, it is automatically started detecting links, so you can see the progress and the stats below. Yeah, this is complete. Now you can see the numbers with respect to redirects or broken links. Oh, it's surprised to see a huge number of broken links. I need to dig into it more. So this is good so far. Let me go into the links section. So you have internal, external, and then broken. Here let's go ahead to posts and see what we have number of internal links, number of external links, and incoming links from the other posts, and a couple of other rank math stats. Okay, let's go ahead into orphan force. Okay, it looks like I have a lot of work to do with respect to the orphan force. Okay, let's go ahead into the links and look for external, and our main job is to see the broken links to be cleared. So let me check one of the link. Looks like this is redirect but not a broken. Okay, this is a broken link. I think I can remove it. Yes, be little careful while removing the link. You cannot undo the operation, so read it carefully and press OK to delete. Okay, it's successfully deleted. And now let's try AI link suggestions. I'll choose one of the draft and pick a specific keyword, in this case SEO tactics. And this is how we generally add link, like we perform a search manually. Instead of that, let's use this AI. Click on that AI link and then link generation. So somehow this is not providing me the actual results. That's fine. Since this is into beta, I need to explore more. That's okay. So let's go into the rank math section, look for link opportunities and generate. This reads the entire article and suggests a couple of keywords along with the internal articles which it can link back to. These are all good suggestions to consider, and it even suggests specific keywords. Okay, I would like to go with this. So insert a link or copy the link URL. So I'll just say insert a link. Okay, let me check if the link is inserted. Yes, I can see the link there. Okay, you can just do this exercise for almost all your articles. So let's go back to Link Genius again. Go back to the links. And this time, let's see, for a couple of links, this is an affiliate link. I wish there is an option to mark that as an affiliate. So let's see. I just clicked on not broken. So yeah, let me see if I have any reasons. Okay, I don't have the option to choose or mark it as an affiliate link. That's fine. I will go to the custom reason and provide the details as affiliate link. Yeah, mark this now. Yeah, link marked successfully, and this would land into the marked save folder. Let's check a couple of other broken links. This seems to be redirect but not broken. So let me update the link, save changes, and look if you want to tag the link as no follow. Okay, this link is updated successfully. That's great. You can always check the details by clicking on view details. So which article, which link, everything would be given there. Now let's look for specific 404. Let's press to see timeout. What exactly is that? Maybe unable to reach a specific website. So manually check all the links and try to process and mark the links appropriately so that when you scan next time, everything is clean. Okay, this link seems broken, so let me remove it. Okay, link is deleted. Now let's check mark save. So two links I have marked as affiliate links, so you can see them here. And redirects unchecked. Looks like these links are coming from the draft. That's fine. Okay, yep, you can always play with the filters. It's great. Okay, you can see a couple of links have been removed. You can see the number change in the dashboard. Let me go back to the broken links and look for a specific links which are not found, which is 404, and apply the filter. Okay, let me monitor these links. Okay, this is page isn't available, so it's a broken link, so let's remove it. Okay, save to remove. Let's check one more link. This is also broken, page not found, so remove it. So within just few seconds or minutes, I could deal with number of broken links. This is a very useful feature from Rank Math because there are premium tools to use like Ahref and SEMrush to deal with this. So I don't need to bother much about it now. So I simply go through this dashboard, scan each link and remove them. Or else you can just select all and remove bulk removal if you want to. But be little careful and monitor the links. Okay, couple more links to remove. That's great. Okay, now go back to the dashboard. You can see the number changing. That's great. Yeah, two links marked as safe. Let's deal with a couple of redirects now. Okay, let me check this. Yeah, this is loading. Maybe the URL has been changed. So let me copy the URL and update. So click on edit now. And then update the link. If you want, you can tag open link in a new tab since this is an external link. Yes, this is successfully updated. That's great. So let me go back to the bulk update. So this is required when you want to update a specific link across various posts. So you can perform a search or skip it. And if you know what exactly the word or the text or the link you want to update, you can just directly come to this screen and make the necessary changes. Okay, let's look into the other tab. Let's pick a specific article first. So this time I'm choosing employee monitoring software. So go to the keyword maps and then name that specific suggestion and then give the target URL and give a description what exactly this is all about. And then keyword variations, either you just type in the keyword or perform generate AI variations. This is very useful because it gives you the complete synonyms, related phrases, and specific keywords you can use across your website. So go through the list carefully and unselect if you feel that is not relevant. This seems everything relevant to me, so I'll just go ahead and add 20 variations. Now create keyword map. So this is done. Now I guess I need to perform preview and execute. Let's go with that. This will dig all the articles in your website and suggest for a keyword placement. So this is totally AI powered. So now, okay, there is one link suggestion. So it is even suggesting an anchor text along with the link we just look for. Okay, if you feel that is relevant, just select and add links button. Let's wait for this to get done. Scanning. Yes, it is successful. So the link is uploaded successfully. So currently it is just one article, but if you're dealing with multiple articles, this is very handy, useful, and time saver. Overall, this is great. Loved this plugin. Since this is in beta, there is always scope for enhancement. So here are our feedback. Few broken links are tagged as redirects. So that's one thing to look into, and making the links as affiliate links would be a great help. And few links marked as broken but actually working. So few things to deal with. There are a couple of links tagged as robots blocked. Any guide on what to do with such links would be really helpful. After editing the redirect link, there was a couple of errors. Having an option to auto correcting the redirect links would be a great help, and having an additional information like domain authority and spam score for the external links would be an added advantage. Overall, AI Link Genius from Rank Math is a practical internal linking and external linking automation tool that saves time and surfaces smart on-page SEO opportunities. It's a great work from the Rank Math team. If this review helped you, subscribe to WittySparks for more real-world SEO testing and experiments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.